We're back. So, oh yeah, the reason why the microphone sounds better is because remember I said I was gonna get a headset, buy a headset and a mic soon. Well, I did. I'm kidding. So I was out of town one day, and then I found when I was with some family, they had a headset and a mic, and they said, "You want it?" And I was like, "Heck yeah!" And boom, better mic quality and all that stuff. So here, oh yeah, what I'm doing right now is a trick I've learned. So what you do is put your chairs in a position in the couch. Do that. And you get weld. You weld the chair onto the chair onto the couch. And what you do is get material and turn it invisible. Not invisible. Invisible. And then 1, 2, 3, boom. Oh, it's perfect too. 1, 2, 3, a sittable couch. By yours truly. I swear I didn't get it from anyone else. So yeah, there we go. So, let's make the storm chase, let's make the tornado antenna. Where is it? Aha. What if we do this? Whoa, 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 too much torque. Still too much torque. Tornado! I'm trying to look for something. Where is it? Now that is a tornado radar. Oh, that is perfect, guys. That is perfect. Alrighty. And now for the decoration. Looks like one of those radars they have on ships, such as battleships. Old battleships for radio communication. Put it to right here. I meant this wire, thank you very much. Tornado should spawn momentarily. Okay, that's copyright. Now that is a tornado radar. Alrighty. So, you know what I should do? I should do a helicopter this time. Once again, sorry for the breathing. Yeah, there it is. Should I put it on the roof, guys? Well, guys can't talk to me, but yeah, you can. It won't hurt anything. So, I hear it a little bit. I hear something that sounds like I'm hearing like the F1 tornado noise. I swear, guys, If the tornado spawns, if like an F5 or something spawns up top of us, I'll be so triggered. I'm just waiting for it to just all out of the blue. Ah, I could have died. Whoa, fire, fire. The tornado computer blew up. Tornado, I see the error cloud. It's an F3, guys. Alrighty, guys, we gotta go. Because we gotta go. I only just do a quick thing. No, one. Go, go. Getting closer. Go! Come on, helicopter. Go, helicopter. Go. 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 Go! Please do not hit the radar. Don't hit the radar! Hit it. This is Channel 13 News. This is Channel 13 News. As you can see, we have a big... Don't get too close to the storm. Don't get too close to the tornado, Sherman. As we can see, we have a big, a large F3 tornado. Then we go to hover mode. Wait, hover mode doesn't work? And it's going by the, don't get too close. Oh, no. Whoa, as you can see, it picked up trailers from a trailer park. Here. I cannot fly. As you can see, it's going towards the gas station. No, it's going towards Old Man Jenkins' barn. Or farm. What the heck's that noise? Something, it lagged. Did it hit the gas station? That's what I wanted. And it despawned. Let's survey the damage. Hey guys, give me some credit for being a better helicopter driver than Supernova. Watch this videos because that's what it's, once again, that's what it inspired this channel. As you can see, the gas station sign. There is debris everywhere near the gas station. No, don't crash. There's shelves, support beams, all that stuff. And there's some roofing in the ditch too. We'll get the county to fish that out. And there we go. Alrighty guys, if I land this helicopter, then you have to like this video. Nope. And close enough. And close enough. You have to like it. No, that wasn't a proper landing, so you can if you want to, but you know what, guys? Alrighty, guys. So, oh no, where'd the storm chasing van go? Oh, I see it. I think. Is that a trailer? Is that it or the? No, that's it. Alright, so let's go to the river and fish out all that debris. I need to make a trailer. What? How did that hurt me? Pretty cool, huh? Oh, power line! Oh, I gotta repair that when I get back. No. Alrighty, we're here, so. Oh yeah, let me do something real quick. Beep, beep, beep. Alright, so where's there any debris? Yeah, I don't see any debris. Oh, there's some down there by the ditch pipe. Like right there. Just put it into position. Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and haul it out with the no candy fan. I mean, torch chasing mobile. Oh yeah, on one of Supernova's videos, he was flying a helicopter like I had, the same helicopter I had, and he was going. He's saying, "Alrighty, let's try to survive as long as we can in this thing until the next tornado." And out of the blue, he spots that, and he says, my mind had second plans, and it went to it, and then just, and the top came off, the top power came off, and it just landed right there. I was like, so close, and I watched that. Yep, it's good. Alrighty, ready? Ready, steady, go! Hey, I'm helping. Alright, so look for more. Hey, at least I'm helping the wildlife out. Gotta make another recording.